So last year, New Balance made a big announcement. They named Aimé Leon d'Or founder Teddy Santis as their new creative director of New Balance USA. And if history was any indication, then this partnership looked very promising for sneakerheads. Fast forward a few months later, and we've now finally started to see the release of some of his work. And I got two pretty amazing shoes right here. My name is Josh, and I will be reviewing the Moonbeam as well as the Marblehead colorway of the New Balance 990 V3. So what is up, guys, and welcome back to all of my long-term viewers. Shout out to you for supporting the channel. And if you are new here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and all types of other sneaker content. I'm dropping at least 3 videos a week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out my bi-weekly sneaker podcast, The Kickback Pod, available on all streaming platforms. And for even more content, make sure you check out the Instagram at JDKick6 is the handle. So let's get into it. I managed to get a couple of pairs of Teddy Santis work so far with New Balance. We got the Marblehead colorway and also this Moonbeam colorway. The first pair to release from Teddy Santis and New Balance was actually neither of these. It was this Sea Salt colorway. We saw a 990 V2 as well as a V3 drop. And New Balance also released this picture of all of the potential upcoming colorways that we will be seeing this year. And of course, as you would expect, they all look absolutely fire. I particularly got my eyes on that purple pair. The retail price here in Europe was very steep. Both of these pairs cost 230 euros. You guys already know Europe gets absolutely screwed over when it comes to New Balances. So it was a lot of money to cop these shoes. That 230 retail price, especially in a recession, yeah, that is pretty steep. Although I will say it is my favorite New Balance model, the 990 V3, and it looks absolutely amazing in both of these colorways. Let's start off with this beautiful Marblehead colorway. Most of the upper are done in that gray color that we love to see on New Balances that we're very familiar with. And this time you got these contrasting brown panels. And these brown panels, they're almost a copper color, but not quite yet. I would still describe them as brown. The gray and the brown go together beautifully, and they contrast really well with this aged looking midsole. We also got some hits of dark brown at the back of the sneaker and also on the tongue. Like, come on, this is a great colorway. Everybody loves gray 990s. And with this pair, it's almost a gray 990, but it does allow you to stand out a little bit without being too flashy. It is an awesome colorway. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this Marblehead pair. And more so than the colorway, just have a look at this quality. You don't even need an HD quality to see this. You could probably see this on an iPhone 3G. You get some super soft suede here, some nice shaggy suede on all of the gray panels. Because this is a made in USA New Balance, that means that at least 70% of the materials for the sneaker were produced in the United States, which does explain the upgrade in materials here. So yeah, even though the retail price is $230, you are getting a pretty great quality and also great looking shoe. And moving on to the second pair, the Moonbeam, aka the Macadamia Nut colorway. Once again, I don't know how Teddy Santis keeps doing this, but he is just the man when it comes to clean colorways. And that's a word that gets thrown out a lot when describing shoes, like these are clean. But I feel like there's levels to it, like there's levels to clean. And this sneaker right here, this is a whole different level of clean. Most of the upper is done in this very nice cream color. The suede panels, as well as the mesh and also the laces, all done in this cream color. And contrasting it, you have these nice hits of dark gray on the end logo, some suede panels on the toe. And typically, I'm not a very big fan of dark looking midsoles. However, I feel like it's very tastefully done on the shoe and makes the shoe, in my opinion, look even better. Perhaps my only complaint, although it is a pretty minor one on both of these pairs, the ankle collar on both these pairs done in this very light color, like a cream color. I'm not a biggest fan of that because usually this tends to get dirty quite fast. It tends to brown quite easily, so I would have preferred seeing a darker color on that ankle collar. Very minor thing that was bothering me, but besides that, no complaints. Also, the quality on this Moonbeam pair, exceptional as you would expect, although I will say the suede did feel a bit softer on that Marblehead pair, so that pair does get a slight edge when it comes to better quality compared to this Moonbeam colorway, but it's not drastically different or anything. Like if I were to give it a rating, I would say this is like a 10 in terms of quality, and these probably a 9.5, which is still pretty amazing. Let's move on to sizing. So with the 990 V3, some people say go down half a size, some people say go true to size. I say it's really just up to you. I do suggest you guys to try on a pair before buying one. For me, both true to size as well as half a size down fit me good. The only difference is that for me, when I go a half size down, I do feel like it is slightly tight here in the toe area. I feel like my little toe is hitting against the side of the shoe here, which I do find a little bit irritating. So that's why I personally prefer to go true to size in 990 V3s. But I do think most people can go down a half size. If you are a wide footer, I would probably go for true to size. Both of these shoes, the Marblehead as well as the Moonbeam, neither of them are actually going for pretty much any resale value currently, which is pretty amazing. Like, imagine if these shoes came out during the height of the ALD hype. These would be going for probably double what they're going for right now. Instead, you get some super clean, amazing quality New Balances for retail, or what I would do right now if I were you guys. I would put in some bids right now on StockX for even under retail, because you never know. Right now, we're in a recession, obviously. People might get desperate. I've managed to actually hit recently on some sneakers for below retail on sneakers that I really wanted. So go ahead, try your luck. I will leave some StockX links in the description. And if you don't want to wait, of course, you can just go ahead and buy right now. Overall, the Teddy Santis New Balance 990 V3, the Moonbeam, and the Marblehead colorway, are these a cop or a drop? I think both these pairs are amazing. So far, there's been 3 colorways to release. Like I said, these 2 as well as the Sea Salt. You honestly can't go wrong with any of them. If I were to rank my personal preferences, I gotta go with this Moonbeam colorway at number 1 because it is just that clean. The Marblehead at 2, followed by the Sea Salt. But it's honestly very close for me between the Moonbeam and Marblehead. They're both really, really nice. Let me know down in the comments which one of these did you guys go for. I think they're great looking shoes, amazing quality, like I said, so definitely in my opinion these are a cop. And thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting this channel. If you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.